It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Air Experts. Water is one of our most precious resources. Here are 3 simple ways to save water in your home while making a positive impact on the environment. Did you know a dripping faucet can waste up to 3,000 gallons of water a year? Regularly inspecting faucets and pipes for leaks can keep your water usage low and save you money. Try not to let the water run longer than necessary. You can turn the faucet off while brushing your teeth or shaving, and only use dishwashers and washing machines when they're fully loaded. If your budget allows, you can even upgrade to more water-efficient appliances as well. Replace old shower heads with low-flow options and consider installing water-saving toilets. Older toilets can use up to 7 gallons per flush, while newer models only use about 1.5 gallons. By following these easy tips, you'll save water, reduce your bills, and help protect the planet. Every drop makes a difference. We thought you'd like to know.